Hello guys, welcome back to Move AutoCAD with AutoCAD basic tutorial how to move a 2D and 3D object with elegant command. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notification for our new tutorials. For example, I will create a rectangle object. Start from this point with dimension about 12 and 12. Okay, and I will create two circle in here and then in here. Next we create a second rectangle in here. Okay, to move this 2D object with using Allegiant command, you can tap Allegiant. Okay, for first example I will use one reference point. You can select this circle object, start from this point to this point and enter to move this circle. Okay. For the second example, I will use Allegiant command with two reference point. You can tap Allegiant, enter, and select this rectangle object. I will move from this point into this point, and then I will move from this point to here. Okay, you can tap enter, and you can choose no. It means you move this rectangle object without scaling based on Allegiant points. Okay, you can click no. And for the third example, I will move this circle object with scaling option. You can tap Allegiant, enter, and select this circle. I will move from this point into this point. Okay, and from this point into here. Enter, you can click yes to scale this circle. Okay, this circle already scale into base alignment point from here to here. This is for 2D example, and for the 3D object, I will delete this object first, and we create a rectangle in here and create a rectangle again in here. Okay, you can orbit and then extrude this 2D sketch to the top here. Okay, to move this object, first I will copy this object from here to here, and I will move this rectangle object into this point. You can tap Allegiant. Okay, select this 3D object, start from this point to here, and I will start from this point to here. Enter and no without scale this object. Okay, you can see. You also can use a scale option. You can type Allegiant, enter, select this object, move from this point to here, and move from this point to here. Enter and click yes to scale, and this object already scale based on alignment point. Okay, you also can move this object to another point. I will move from this point into this point. Okay, you can tap Allegiant, enter, select this object. I will move from this point to here, and move from this point to here. Okay, enter without scale. You can click no, and this object is already moved. Okay, and I think it's enough today for AutoCAD basic tutorial how to use Allegiant command. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another AutoCAD basic tutorial.